subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo has quietly launched its new budget smartphone in Russia called Lenovo K13, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the earlier launched Motorola's Moto E7i power smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Lenovo K13 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The Lenovo K13 comes powered by an octa-core Uni-SoC SE98638 chipset paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 under Go edition, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and the plastic body of the phone is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.06 by 75.86 by 9.2mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lenovo K13 is now available for purchase in Russia at 7,777 Russian rubles, and it will be seen in blue and red color options. So what do you guys think of this Lenovo K13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.